Do the Austin Powers turn.
What?
How sweaty you can go up any further?
It's a little bit gnarly.
Sweaty, what have you got us into?
Follow the road and here you are.
The road's right there.
Yeah.
That's the road.
Parking tire, not there. This area.
You don't want to fall into this hole. I mean, that's like a pretty flat ramp. Keep coming.
Wow, this is where that side-by-side flip. You could, right here, right?
Go, 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 throttle, throttle, throttle.
Keep going, keep going. There you go.
I'm not gonna put that in my gas guy.
Yeah, buddy.
Run into me with stopping your tires. left, stay on it. Try not to roll back. Alright,
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh! Woo! What? What? Alright, so more or less we made it up to the top of Moab Rim. Jonathan and Sweaty, they kept going. The only thing that we have to do now is make it back down the way we came up. You're good. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Got a little passenger now. Go driver. There you go. It's gonna just go straight into the hole.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, now it's fine.
Maybe that's probably the line I should have done, but it's still lifted. I think you're good, yeah. And then cut driver, because it's gonna want to teeter pretty hard. A little further. Oh wow, it's not even tucking all the way up there. Look at that gap. What the hell?
Yeah, what the hell is that? What the hell?
Do a burnout. That stinking chain. Do Austin Powers turn.
We made it. Okay, move those rocks real quick so no one can tell. What are we thinking?
I think we got it.
I think I want to go jump in this river is what I want to do.
Slow, Jamie. Just right on the edge, it's okay.